So, friends, we have already crossed the limit of our time limit. So now we would like to end up the session. But before ending up the session, I would like to invite Mr. Mahesh Reddy, who is the Director General of SISMI, for his concluding remarks and vote of thanks.
Thank you, Ashish ji. Well, wonderful presentations from each of the panel experts. Mr. Sushil Jivarajka, the mentor, SISMI, Sasha ji from K Capital, and other distinguished panel experts. Well, today's presentation in the kind of situation when the MSME industry is really looking at the entrepreneurial ecosystem, what it is really looking at, hand-holding, networking, support, and the guidance. More importantly, the confidence building mechanisms. Whatever the government of India has initiated today, the intermediary organizations, whether it's the Chamber of Commerce or the networking bodies, how they will kind of fill this gap, this void, particularly in a MSME ecosystem, which is taking the worst hit of the pandemic today. I think in today's presentations, what has been brought out very clearly is, in fact, not only that, Mr. Sushil Jivarajka has also brought out this fact, in the last 1 quarter, the kind of entrepreneur registrations, those are coming up in different states, are also very encouraging. For instance, during the period of October to December 2019, just from Bihar, 8.73 lakh registrations, new registrations of these entrepreneurship, etc. Maharashtra around 15 lakh, Tamil Nadu around 9 lakh, 9.5 lakh, and UP 8 lakh. So certainly, whether the PE industry or the VC or the kind of number of funds that what we really kind of need to have in the country's ecosystem to cater to this kind of a new, budding, emerging entrepreneurial system is far higher than what we have today. Certainly, the kind of outlook of the VC and the PE industry to cater to the needs of the new mills is also, is completely in a different line today. Of course, the demands have changed. The requirements, needs have definitely have been kind of taken a different shape. As President Ilfi and the mentor SISMI, Mr. Jivarajka has mentioned, there is a great future, great roadmap that we need to kind of lay ahead. And I think the government's today's initiatives in terms of unleashing the packages, and also not only in fact, I think in the next week or 10 days, these guidelines for these MSME funds which have been announced also should be released. And definitely the MSME, well, the VC and PE industry, including the angel investors, have got a tremendous role to play, which is quite evident in today's presentations. No beating around the bush. In fact, it's quite illuminating. It's up to the point and very clear message to the, MSME community, entrepreneurship community in the country. Yes, we are here to handhold you. And, this is what exactly is the kind of situation today, the MSME industry, entrepreneurship base, and particularly the budding, entrepreneurs who are really kind of emerging out of the scenarios. And even the transformation phase, from these conventional, industry bifurcations of the diversification and the movement, emergence into new line of new needs, new demands which are arising out of not only the COVID. COVID, of course, it's an immediate need, but even the post-COVID, the government, both the government as well as the industry is gearing up to kind of to meet those needs and requirements. And more importantly, what I wanted to kind of share, today industry associations and other networking bodies also are gearing up to take this message, not only take the message, but also to handhold this entire value chain, and of course on a pan-India basis. In fact, we at SISME also devising the sector-wise plans. For instance, we have launched a agripreneurship program for all 6 regions in the country, sector-wise. Across the country, well, identifying each of those sectors, how do we reach out? How do we connect? How do we identify their needs and demands and requirements, and also connect with the supply side of the industry? And I think that message has also been brought out very clearly in today's presentations of each of the speakers. In fact, I must thank each of the speakers for these illuminating, not only just illuminating, but it is very clear. It is not a kind of what do you call theoretical or any kind of, very clear, pointed brief that what they require, what you have, and how to go about in actualizing it. With these words, once again, I thank each of the speakers for these wonderful presentations, and also certainly we look forward to your guidance, networking. Not only the chambers, but the country really looks forward to your great guidance and hand-holding support. Thank you.
Thank you all, and we will end our session here, and we wish you all healthy and stay safe. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
One last word. I think we need to thank all the participants.
Yeah.
This
Without their support and without their contribution, will not be organizing. We will not be in a position to organize this kind of session. So I would like to thank you to all the participants who have come from different areas or from different sectors also, for their participation and their contribution, also for their questions also, and we look forward your suggestions also. If you have any suggestions, please let us know. We will forward it to the SISME also and the funds also. Thank you very much. Thank you all.
Thanks once again to the
Thank you.
side of
Thank
this
you, sir.
webinar.
Thank you very much.
You.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you.